Welcome to Planet MicroCap. I'm your host, Robert Kraft, and joining me today is Rene Goehrum. He is the president, CEO, and chairman of BioSyent, a publicly traded company. The symbol is RX on the TSX Venture, and BioSyent will be presenting at our upcoming investor conference, the Planet MicroCap Showcase, taking place in Las Vegas, April 30 through May 2nd, 2024, at the Paris Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. To register to attend, to potentially meet with Rene, see the BioSyent presentation, actually a Q&A with Matthew Martin from Rivemont Microcap Fund, please register to attend at planetmicrocapshowcase.com. And with that, Rene, thank you for joining me today. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. It's a pleasure to be with you, Bobby.
Pleasure to have you. And we're excited to have you in Vegas as well. So we actually did phenomenal. I mean, you were phenomenal. Me, whatever. Well, that's always questionable. You did a great job in a long form interview that we did together back in September 2023. So I invite everybody to go check that to get the full overview, everything of BioSyent. But for those that don't know the BioSyent story or hadn't had a chance to check out that interview, can you give us that quick overview of the company and then we'll go from there?
Sure. So BioSyent is a specialty pharmaceutical company based in the Toronto area in Canada. We focus primarily on the Canadian market. We in-license unique and differentiated products that add value to patients and healthcare professionals, and we commercialize those assets in Canada. We find them by essentially searching the world for these unique and differentiated products. Sometimes we acquire through revenue assets, and sometimes we acquire them through in-licensing and taking them through the approval process in Canada. We've got 10 products that are approved and on market in Canada. We've been profitable now for well over a decade, and we're busy diversifying our portfolio and growing the top line.
Very good. And then Rene, so like I said, we did that long form interview back. We published that on September 19, 2023. So love to get some highlights from the company for the last 6-7 months or so. I'll let you go with that.
Sure. We in the last year we launched 3 new products. So one of those products would have been since our long form interview that you referenced in September. So in November of last year, we launched Gelclair, which is a product for oncology supportive care. It's for patients that, as a result of radiation or chemotherapy, get sores in their mouth. It's called oral mucositis, and it's a unique product for to help patients and their healthcare professionals manage that condition. So that product was launched in November. It's very early days on it. And we've got 2 other products that are in launch stage. And when we have a product that's launch stage, it essentially is in that stage for a couple of years. So as we are building awareness and driving trial and then the habit of prescribing or consuming those products. So that's moving forward as we go. With 2 of them were women's health products and this one on oncology supportive care. We put out our full year results in just last month. We had a good 2023. Obviously, the earnings continued. We had a double-digit top-line growth. Our Ferromax, our lead asset, was named the #1 recommended oral iron supplement by pharmacists and doctors in Canada for the 9th consecutive year. And the TSX Venture named us one of the top 50 companies listed on the TSX Venture outside of about 1,700. That's recognizing share appreciation and actually trading dollar volume that we had this year. So there's a lot going on, and we're working hard now on building out the portfolio.
Very good. All right. So, this is one of our quick hitter interviews. So my closing question for you here today, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's goals that you'd like to see achieved for the duration of 2024?
Yeah, we're working, as I said, on a number of new asset opportunities, both that are already revenue generating and some are in license opportunities that would see market sometime in the future. So we'd like to make a couple of additions to our product portfolio, either through acquisition or licensing. We'd like to see our new launch products start contributing more substantially to top line revenue growth. And of course, continue to drive profit growth in the business. So it's a balancing act while you're investing in new products to also maintain profitability, but we've done it for 54 consecutive quarters, and we have no expectation that that's going to change.
Absolutely. Well, Rene, with that, where can our audience go and find more information on BioSyent?
You can go to www.biosyent.com, BIOSYENT.com. We have a corporate website. It allows you to navigate financials and product information. And then each of our products, our brands, also have their own brand website. And I won't go through that list, but you can get linked to it through our corporate website.
Very good. Well, Rene, thank you so much for joining me today. Really do appreciate it. Good luck. Stay safe. And I'll see you in Vegas.
See you soon.